How to purchase using Coinbase.com. Now we are discussing different wallets because I want to give you information of different wallets so that you know that what is like those wallets and how you can easily purchase bitcoins and how they work. Simply sign up using name, email, connect your bank account, credit card or debit card, whichever you feel is something that you want to give in to buy Bitcoin. Now, this connection might take few days because to verify a credit card or debit card, they will deduct some cents. So it will take 2 to 3 days to show up that 2 cents are being deducted from your debit card or credit card in your bank statement or online bank statement, and then you will verify it through that website, coinbase.com, and it will be verified for your bank account. They will add like 2 cents into your bank account, and they will need you to verify if they added 2 cents or 3 cents. Once you will verify it, it will be verified. So it takes a few days for this process to take place. You also need to get verified through a driving license or some other license stuff, and then you can buy and sell Bitcoin. Now Coinbase is a web-based wallet, so they have the keys for you and make things easier for you. Coinbase does have the option of a vault, which adds more control back to you. If you're concerned about them handling your private key through it, though it's currently only for Bitcoin asset, this vault stuff. So if you're concerned, then this vault stuff is the best option for you. And other options, if you are outside the US, here are a few options for exchanges that take your local currency. Example, BTC markets, that is in Australia. With Thump or Coin One, it's in Korea. They accept their local currency. CHBTC or Huobi in China, and Quadriga CX is a Canadian company. So if you're outside US, use them. Thank you.